Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you to one of the beautiful place in Meghalaya. It has got a crystal clear water in it and also a beautiful bridge. This place called Wahrew River. It has got a water bridge which falls under Sohbar, East Kazakh district. Stay with me. I'm going to take you right away and you enjoy the scenic beauty of the place.
Bajrang sipro kakli kabasilan bukan latlen bahkan misyo utak busok menten udat kitman bajrang sipro kakli kabasilan bukan latlen bahkan misyo utak busok menten Marang bait tenat RUB ibasu sing tonang penjar kita bahkan pembakat meeting oi oi zaman rei kong kadi kok zaman rei kong kadi kok zaman rei hilang berku tu blei yang ibarong tu blei penang berku
This is the camp stay overnight. Inside there is a blanket, there is a pillow, there is a mattress, and it's so comfortable. And I got very sound sleep. It's really enjoy. Yeah. Hi friend, as we have stayed overnight here in Wahrew, and it's such a beautiful place. As you can see, just at my back there is a Wahrew bridge. We are here in Sohbar and we had come yesterday evening, and then we had stay overnight over here. As you can see, the surrounding, as you can see, the beautiful of this place, crystal water. I would like to suggest you, whoever come to Shillong, Meghalaya, all my friends from India and all my friends from all over the world, do visit Wahrew Sohbar. It's such a beautiful place. So you can stay overnight here, and there is a 10 house facilities. You can do kayaking, you can do swimming, you can do snorkeling, and you can do lots of things over here. So do come and visit. I'm enjoying staying here, and I'm so happy to be the part